Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your content calendar using Later for LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Later dashboard and log into your account. Navigate to the Content Calendar section on your dashboard. Select the profile linked to your LinkedIn account. Click on the Add Post button to create a new post. In the post creation window, add your content, including text, images, or links. Be sure to tailor your content specifically for your LinkedIn audience. Set the desired date and time for your post to go live. Once you have scheduled your post, go back to the Content Calendar view. Locate the scheduled post within the calendar grid. Click on the post to review its details and ensure everything is accurate. Ensure the text aligns with LinkedIn best practices and is optimized for engagement. If any adjustments are needed, edit the post directly from the calendar view. Check that all linked media and hashtags are functioning correctly. Review the Analytics section for insights on your previous LinkedIn posts. Use these insights to inform your content strategy moving forward. Consider adjusting your schedule based on peak engagement times. After verifying all aspects, confirm that everything is ready for publication. Your content calendar for LinkedIn is now organized and actionable. Repeat this process regularly to maintain an effective content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.